How is an electric toothbrush produced? Let me share with you an electric toothbrush factory VG. VG is an electric toothbrush factory that has independent R&D, original design, and its own production line, and provides one-stop ODM/OEM services. Firstly, conduct R&D design, structural design, electronic function design, SMT surface mount processing and motor R&D production, and then make prototype through 3D sampling. Second is the processing, production of molds, followed by injection molding, making various testing and assembling toolings. After processing through ultrasonic, welding, assembly, various reliability tests are taken, such as drop test, motor test, salt spray test, high and low temperature test, waterproof test, whole machine aging test, and hundreds of other tests. In short, VG strictly controls from the design to the craftsmanship. By controlling the incoming materials, comprehensive, strict inspections, tests, cleaning, and other aspects must be carried out in every step, striving for excellence to improve customer satisfaction. Through quality control on every step, a high quality and premium electric toothbrush will be delivered to you. Make your oral healthier.